If you hate organizing things, this video is for you. I built the laziest project management system that actually works. 5 properties, 3 views, 0 stress. No complicated setups, no color-coded nonsense, no weekly maintenance rituals, just the bare minimum that keeps your projects from falling apart. Let's build it. Here's why most project management systems fail for normal people. They were designed by organized people for organized people. 15 status options, subtasks inside subtasks, dependencies, milestones, Gantt charts. You don't need any of that. You need to know 3 things. What am I working on? What's next? And what's done? That's exactly what we're building. The absolute minimum system that prevents things from slipping through the cracks. If you can drag a card from left to right, you can use this. New page called My Projects with a rocket icon because we're keeping things fast. Description, less planning, more doing, and a call out with my golden rule. If it takes more than 5 minutes to maintain, the system is too complicated. I'm serious. The moment your system feels like work, you'll abandon it. 5 minutes a week is the maximum this system needs. Divider, and now the main database, only 5 properties. I'll explain why each one earns its place. I'll create the database, just a heading and an inline table. The magic isn't in the database itself, it's in how few properties we use. Property 1, status, 4 options, that's it. Someday for things I might do eventually, but not now. Next up for things I'll start soon. In progress, what I'm actively working on right now and done, 4 stages. Most systems have 8 or 10 statuses. You don't need blocked, on hold, in review, pending approval. If something is stuck, it goes back to next up. Simple. Property 2, deadline. Just a date. When does this need to be finished? Not every project needs one, that's fine, leave it empty. But the ones that do need a deadline will show up in the calendar view later, so nothing sneaks up on you. Property 3, priority. 3 levels with emojis so they're impossible to ignore. Red circle, must do, these happen no matter what. Yellow circle, should do, important but not urgent. Green circle, nice to do, I'll get to it when I can. 3 levels, not 5, not 10. 3, if you can't decide between must and should, it's a should. Property 4, area. What part of my life does this belong to? Work, personal, side project, learning. This helps when I look at my board and everything is work. That tells me I'm neglecting personal and maybe I need to balance things out. 4 areas. Adjust to match your life. In property 5, notes, just a text field for quick context. A link, a reminder, a next step, nothing structured, that's it. 5 properties. Status, deadline, priority, area, notes. Anything more is unnecessary for most people. Let me add some real projects. First, redesign portfolio website. Status in progress because I already started. Deadline, June 15th. Priority must do. This is critical for getting new clients. Area work. Notes, homepage done, need about page. 1 row, full context, 10 seconds to add. Second, learn basic Japanese. In progress, no deadline because it's ongoing. Priority should do, important but no rush. Area learning. Notes, Duolingo plus 2 classes per week. Not every project needs a deadline. Language learning doesn't end on a specific date. The system handles both kinds. Third, fix bathroom shelf. Next up, I'll get to it this weekend. No deadline, nice to do, personal. Notes, buy brackets from hardware store. This is the kind of thing that lives in your head for months. Now it's captured and it'll get done when I move it to in progress. Fourth, YouTube channel, reach 20 videos. In progress with a deadline of July 30th, must do, side project. Notes, currently at video 16. This is a project with a clear finish line and having it here means I see it every time I open this page. And fifth, read Atomic Habits, status. Someday, because I'm not starting it now, no deadline, nice to do, learning, notes, recommended by 3 people. Someday is the parking lot. Things go here so I don't forget them, but they're not taking up mental space right now. Now the view that makes everything click. Board view, group by status. This is your command center. Someday on the left, then next up in progress and done on the right. Your projects flow from left to right as you work on them. I'll drag the bathroom shelf from next up to in progress because I'm doing it this weekend. That drag is the most satisfying thing in Notion. Here's how I use this board. Every Monday morning, I look at the in progress column. If there are more than 3 things there, something needs to move back to next up. In progress means I'm actively working on it. This week, not this month, this week. 3 things in progress, maximum. Sound familiar? Same rule as the daily planner. Second view, calendar using the deadline property. Now, I see when things are due on a monthly timeline. The website is due June 15th. The YouTube goal is July 30th. The projects without deadlines don't show up here, which is fine. This view is specifically for things with a finish line. Third view, board grouped by area. Work, personal, side project, learning. This is my balance check. If the work column has 5 projects and personal has 0, I know I'm neglecting my life outside work. If learning is empty, I'm not growing. One glance tells me if my life is balanced or not. 3 views, same data. Board for workflow, calendar for deadlines, area for life balance. You'll use the board 90% of the time. The other 2 are for your weekly 5-minute check. If this is the first project system that doesn't make you want to close the tab, subscribe. Simple Notion systems every week, 1 more section. Last section, the brain dump. This is for everything that doesn't deserve to be a project yet. Random thoughts, half-baked ideas, things you remembered at 2 a.m. I add a heading, a toggle called drop everything here, and inside, just a bullet list. Start a podcast maybe, reorganize kitchen cabinets, look into investing apps, birthday gift for mom, cancel that subscription, research standing desks. None of these are projects yet, they're just thoughts I captured, so my brain can stop holding on to them. During my weekly 5-minute review, I scan this list. If something is ready to become a real project, I create a row in the database above and set it to someday. If it's been here for a month and I still don't care, I delete it, no guilt. The brain dump is what makes this system work for people who hate organizing. You don't have to decide what's important right now. Just dump it here and sort it later. 0 friction, 0 pressure. That's the entire system. 5 properties instead of 15. 4 statuses instead of 10. 3 views that show you everything you need. A brain dump that catches everything else. Total weekly maintenance, 5 minutes on Monday morning. If you hate organizing, this is the system that respects that and still keeps your life together. Free template in the description, duplicate it and start using it today. If you want a complete daily planning system that pairs perfectly with this, check out my procrastination planner. And if you're a freelancer, the Get Paid Faster system has project tracking built in with client management and invoicing, links for everything below. What's the one project that's been sitting in your head for months that you keep putting off? Drop it in the comments and check out my other systems right here. Thanks for watching. See you next time.